I'm here with your latest space plant research news. And today we've got tomato plant sprouts on the space station for a study to reduce plants' reliance on sunlight in space. Back in April, we reported on the launch of this experiment. Let me throw it back to past Aaron to explain the science. When you think of a typical plant, you think of it using sun and carbon dioxide to produce its own food through photosynthesis. But not all plants work like this. Heterotrophic plants must find their fuel from other sources. One of the most famous examples is the Venus flytrap, which digests insects and arachnids for energy. So this new space station experiment is analyzing if the amount of light and energy needed to grow genetically modified tomato plants in space can be reduced by instead providing them with a direct form of food. Acetate, basically directly taking in food rather than the materials needed to make food. Thanks, past Aaron. CRS-32 arrived at the space station around a month ago, after which the tomato seeds were moved onto station and the grow lights were turned on. The seeds germinated and are being allowed to grow for 10 to 15 days. And these pictures that I've been showing are what they looked like a few days ago when astronaut Johnny Kim shared these pictures to show the progress. Although a bunch of visual temperature and radiation data is being collected in space, the experiment will be returned to Earth soon, and we'll get to see what results the scientists get.